to make a shirt in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your own Roblox shirt. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser of your choice. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in roblox.com/home and make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Here, you can just go ahead and tap on Create tab located right on top. Take you to Creators Hub Center. Here, you can see right on top, once again, there are multiple tools. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on Documentation, and as soon as you click on Documentation, a drop-down menu appears. From there, go ahead and tap on Avatar. After you click on Avatar, in the left side menu, you can see multiple. Scroll down to be able to find Classic Clothing button. Here, you need to tap on the Classic Clothing button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see on the left hand side, on the right hand side bar, you can see all of this instruction and all that. Scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see shirts and pants. In order to make changes with the shirt in Roblox, you'll need to right click on your mouse on that particular image and click on Save Image. Make sure to save the image into your folder. Click on the Save button. As soon as you're done saving the particular picture, now you'll need to open a new tab and then open up a free video or photo editing application. So you can use Canva for that purpose. If you don't have an account, make sure to tap online, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see all of these photos. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on Import File. After that, you need to select the particular image that you've downloaded from Roblox. You see this is the particular one. Now you can just go ahead and tap on Add to Template. That tap on Use in a Design. Tap on Use in New Design, and here you need to go ahead and select Customize Size. Click on Mouse. After you right click on the mouse, you'll be able to see option. You can just go ahead and make changes with the custom logo. So what you have to do is select, first of all, what you need to do is we need to extend size and all. So what you have to do is you need to go ahead with the color. So for that, you need to do this particular item located right on top, and you'll be able to make changes with your color and all that. So as soon as you're done making changes with your color and all that, or customizing, you'll need to save the image by tapping the share button located right on top. After that, make sure that you've selected PNG and click on the download button. Once again, for the confirmation, tap on the download button, and as soon as you've done downloading the image, you'll need to head back to your Roblox page. So after that, once again, log in into your Roblox account and go to Creator. Once again, go to Creators tab. Once you're logged in Roblox account, go ahead and tap on Create, which is right on top. That scroll down a bit and go to Create an Avatar Item, which is right at the bottom. First of all, once you've done this, you'll be taken to Creators tab. Here you need to filter it. So for that, you need to go ahead and select Classic T-shirt. After that, you need to upload an asset. So click on Upload Asset, and after that, you need to upload the particular image that you recently saved it or that you've made changes from your editing app. So click on Upload once again for the confirmation, and then select the folder where you actually stored. So this is the particular one. After, you can just go ahead and give a name and also write the description if you wanted to do it. So after that, you need to add a description as well, and click on the Create button. After that, the shirt will be created. In this way, you can customize or create your own shirt in Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.